hi, yeah, oh, hi. Hi, this video isn't about you. No. Hey guys, what is up? I just got back from my favorite place for DIY projects, the Dollar Tree. Today we're gonna be organizing the bathroom and putting up some floating shelves. I got a couple ideas in my noggin. I don't know if they'll actually work or if they'll be a complete disaster, but let's try. Everything you see behind me and over there cost less than 20 bucks. And yes, my hair is now green and my scalp is blue. I'm aware. It'll go away eventually. But green hair, don't care. All right, this is my bathroom and that's me. Look at me. Hi. Hey, what's up? It's my tripod. As you can see, it's quite small. And there isn't a whole lot of storage, but it's just kind of a cluster of shit under there. I said the S word, whoops. So let's get to it. Hey, this is the first time I've done voiceover in a video. These are the baskets I purchased from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna find a good spot on the wall and, oh wait, shoot, I forgot my pen. And I'm gonna re-find a spot on the wall and marking where I would like to place the hooks. I'm gonna check with the level to see that it is somewhat level so they're not completely wonky on the wall. Looks good. Today I'm going to be using command strip hooks that I got at the Dollar Tree. I purchased the clear command strip hooks so that the baskets will actually look like they are floating. I love command strip products. Half the things in my house are hung by them and I love them so much. I am lining up the very top of the command strip tab with the marks I put on the wall so that the baskets will be somewhat level because, you know, I measured that. And here comes the basket, and ta-da! Look at my double chin. And we're moving on to the second basket, and I'm going to repeat the exact same process I did for the first one. And the second basket is hung. The third basket I am placing lower down, and as you can see there is not very much room between the toilet and the walls, so you're not going to be able to see much, and I don't even know why I included this part in the video, but here it is. And there you have it, all three baskets hung on the wall. Now let's put some things inside. Some TP, because I don't have any extra TP in the bathroom. My head towel. And some hand towels. And I'm going to be placing the fourth basket on the little ledge behind my toilet because I have nowhere to put towels in my bathroom, and I thought I could fit two in here, but only one, but that's still one more than before. Moving on to my under the sink storage of a giant disaster. Let's get this cleared out. And everything's gone. And yes, there is a permanent stain from the Lysol. That'll happen. I got this cabinet shelf, which I'm going to place here. I got this dish rack, which I'm super excited about because it will stop products from falling over. I also got these plastic stacking bins for lotions, soaps, and hair care products. Oops, forgot about the pipe there.
rearranging everything around. And perfect. Ready for product. So much better and super organized. Yes, I realize I have 4 bottles of Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, but I poop like everybody else, and Costco. I found these magnetic storage containers, which I wanted to put on the inside of the cabinet door. I also thought I had purchased magnetic tape, but I can't read apparently, and it's Velcro tape, but we're going to use it anyways. And place the Velcro pieces on the inside of the door and to the back of the containers so they can come on and off really easily. I thought this would be a great way to store Q-tips and cotton pads. I don't know what I'm going to put in the 3rd container yet, but I'm sure I'll find something to put in there. I'm really happy with how all of this turned out. It was a great and inexpensive way to organize the bathroom and make my life so much simpler. Shout out to my Nike SB shoebox for being a great secondary tripod today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye.